You meet a great girl and things are going well, but then suddenly she seems to be losing interest. What happened? How can you get her to start missing you again? Well, lucky for you, I've got 10 foolproof tips to make any woman miss you like crazy. These strategies are guaranteed to keep you on her mind, even when you're not together. Whether you just started dating or you've been together for a while, these tips will help reignite that spark and have her craving your company. So let's dive in. Tip 1. Leave her wanting more. If you want a girl to miss you, then you need to be a little more mysterious and not share everything about yourself on the first date. You should also limit the amount of time you spend with her, so she'll think about you more often when you're not together. That doesn't mean you shouldn't make an effort to see her, but you also don't want to overdo it. That way, she'll be able to see you and then think about you during the times when you're apart. Tip 2. Don't be glued to your phone. While you should respond to her texts and calls, don't be constantly texting or calling her. If you have time to talk to her 24/7, she might think you don't have anything better to do. When you do talk to her, make that time count. Make her laugh and make her feel special, so she'll look forward to those moments when you do get to talk. But don't overdo the phone contact. You want her to miss you a little bit. Tip 3. Give each other some alone time. If you're together all the time, there's nothing for her to miss. You need to make sure you both have time for your hobbies, friends, and family. Respect the life she has outside of your relationship. Limiting your time together will make her appreciate the moments she does get to spend with you and miss you that much more when you're apart. You can't miss something you already have, so establish a bit of a power dynamic where she has to put in some effort to get close to you. Tip 4. Make sure you have fun together. If you plan an awesome, memorable date, she'll be thinking about that great time you had together and want to do it again. Fun, positive experiences will make her miss that connection and want to spend more time with you. Flirting a bit and keeping the physical connection just out of reach can also make her more romantically interested in you once she starts craving that in-person time. Tip 5. Check in with her sometimes. You don't want to be so distant that she starts to question if what you have is real. Make sure to call or send a text now and then just to see how she's doing. She'll appreciate that you're thinking about her and care about her life without being overbearing. Tip 6. Play hard to get, but don't play games. Making yourself a little less available without being rude or neglectful can make her miss you more. Show her that your time is valuable, but that you're willing to make time for her. When you do have time together, treat her well, be affectionate, and show genuine interest in her life. Don't be on your phone the whole time, give her your full attention. Tip 7. Give her great memories. Spend quality time with her, creating fun, interesting experiences that she'll remember fondly. Make her see that life is brighter and more fun when she's with you. Listen to her, take her to new places, and do creative date ideas. Send her a sweet goodnight text so you're the last thing she thinks about before bed. Those little gestures will make her miss you when you're not together. Tip 8. Remind her of you. Leave her with something that will make her think of you, like one of your t-shirts or a special gift. Even a simple item that has your scent on it can make her crave your presence. A playlist you made for her or a necklace you picked out will keep you on her mind. Tip 9. Be sweet to her. Treat her with respect and kindness. Show her that you're a genuinely nice guy who will treat her right. Letting your caring personality shine through is very attractive to women. Tip 10. Surprise her. Every girl loves fun and exciting surprises. Plan a sweet, thoughtful surprise for her. It could be as simple as a picnic in the park or as elaborate as a weekend getaway. Doing that kind of gesture will make her gush about it to her friends and not be able to stop thinking about you. The key is finding that balance. Be a little mysterious, give her space, but also make sure she knows you care. With the right approach, you can have her missing you in no time.